Okay, good morning. As you're saying, I'm Facundo Parodi. I'm a research and machine learning engineer at Tryolabs. We are based in Uruguay. And today I'm going to talk about machine learning. We are going to see what it is, why are we using it. So as I was saying, we are data science and machine learning consulting firm from Uruguay. We are a 50 people company. And we have almost 10 years of experience in this field, particularly with computer vision. We have worked on several projects, but also some time ago we released Luminov, an open source toolkit for computer vision and specifically for image classification. So the agenda for today is we are going to begin talking about machine learning. We are going to define it. We are going to see what type of problems we can solve with it. And specifically, we are going to see which steps we need to take in order to solve one of these problems. Then we are going to dive into a subfield, this subfield of deep learning. And particularly, we are going to see what an artificial neural network is, how does it work, and how we can use it for image classification tasks. Specifically, we're going to talk about convolutional neural networks. That's the state of the art today.